Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a riding jacket from the brand Stud. I ordered this a week back and I received it today. So instead of wasting time, let's get into the video. The box was slightly damaged. So we get a hanger. So let's keep it aside. And what else is there inside? The jacket. Yes. We'll see it later. Just okay. This is the thermal inliner. And what else we got? We got a rain jacket and a manual. So let's keep it all aside. Let's get into the jacket. I ordered the neon color one because it's good and it was very attractive. So let's check it out. Does it fits good or not? I ordered the L size. Yeah, the jacket looks good and it fits me. Very nice and fit. And they are adjustable. Yes. And it feels very nice. And it doesn't have any chest protection, but no, it doesn't even have the elbow or the shoulder one. Maybe it's not included in the box, but it's mentioned it is included, but I think the packer didn't pack that. Now let's check into the thermal inline. It looked little tight, should have given a little bit bigger. It feels a short in the below. The hand rider is okay, but the down is a little bit short. Okay. Yeah, it's freely accessible. I can move my arm. The rain jacket doesn't feel that good, I guess. Just by seeing itself, you can see it's okay. Because it was very thin. Yeah, it's very thin. The jacket feels very small. It can save your upper, but it doesn't save you from the entire rain because it feels very short. So when you ride, you're sure you're gonna get wet below your hip. Should have been given a little bit bigger. It's very short, yeah. So I like the jacket very much, the color matches, and that's it, guys. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you once again. Bye.